Hi, hello, welcome to another interesting session. Today we are here to discuss about LBP-223, how to do the self-test print. So the self-test print is something really important for you to troubleshoot. Let's begin. In most of the laser printers, we have the same operations. You have to open and close the main door, we could say toner door or the front door, 5 times. So after 5th time, when you close the device, you can expect a print job which is horizontal and vertical lines, so which will determine your printer health conditions. So this you should get a proper output. So once you get the output, which means your device are completely okay, so you can isolate your device from any other issues. So hope you like this clip. Thank you.